In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your emails in ConvertKit in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to email marketing or want to refresh your campaigns, a well-designed email can make a big difference in engaging your audience. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in with your account credentials or register if you're new. Once logged in, head to your dashboard and click on the Send tab. This is where all your email campaigns are managed. Next, go to Email Templates. Here you can either customize an existing template or start a new one from scratch. If you're new, using an existing template is a great starting point. Select a template to use as your base. Think of it as your canvas. Now comes the fun part. Use the visual editor to customize your email. Adjust text blocks, change fonts and colors, tweak the layout, and add images to match your brand. You can also use personalization options like including the recipient's first name to make your emails feel more engaging. Don't forget to check your footer and add any necessary contact information or links. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to save all your changes. This ensures your hard work is not lost and your email is ready to send. And that's it. You've successfully customized a ConvertKit email ready to capture your audience's attention. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.